not like at all. But this is where I go. Yeah. Saying goodbye is always the toughest, especially when I'm by myself. Still, you know, I ain't got a choice. Might as well kick it, right? But I know I'll be back. So while I kick it, sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of this.
So happy for your girl. Oh, I miss you.
I miss you too.
Oh my God, you're finally just moving out and going your dreams, girl.
Yeah, I know. I'm excited, but I'm gonna miss you guys so much.
But did you tell Max about it? Oh, I miss you.
No, I haven't told him yet. I think he's still mad at me.
At least you still need to talk to him though before you have to go. Take the airplane and zoom away from all of us. We're all going to miss you. Even the French fuck. Well, I'm not sure if he knows you.
Yeah, I'll definitely let him know before I go. But I'm gonna really miss you guys.
Oh, I'm gonna miss the fun times we had so much.
I'm gonna miss you.
Oh yeah, miss them all.
I know. Alright guys, I think I see my ride, so I gotta go. Looks like this is it.
Oh, I miss you.
I miss you guys.
Oh my God, have fun in LA. Send us a postcard, by the way.
I will. Alright.
Send us everything you
I'll talk to you guys later.
Oh, see ya.